In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter icon in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your Figma files. If you haven't done this already, just log into your Figma account and navigate to the File section. This is where all your design magic will begin. Once you're in your Figma file, the first step is to create a line. To do this, select the Line tool from the toolbar, which is usually on the left side of the screen. After you've selected the line, set the weight in the stroke menu to 5. This will define how thick your line is and give it a more striking appearance. Now that you have your first line set up, the next step is to copy this line. You want to make a total of 3 lines, arranged one below the other. To do this, select your line, right-click, and choose to duplicate, or simply press Ctrl-D on your keyboard. Move the duplicated lines so they are perfectly stacked. With your 3 lines in place, let's add a little flair to our icon. Select the Ellipse tool and draw a small ellipse. This will serve as a part of your filter icon. Make sure it's not too large, as we want it to perfectly complement the lines we've just created. Following that, you'll want to adjust the stroke weight of your ellipse to 5, just like the lines. This consistency in stroke weight will help unify your design. Now, duplicate this ellipse 3 times, so you have 4 ellipses in total. Now it's time for some precise placement. Start with the first ellipse. Place it to the left side of the first line. It should be aligned and balanced, sitting comfortably next to that line. The next ellipse will be positioned on the right side of the second line, ensuring it's also aligned perfectly. For the third ellipse, you'll want to center it directly on the third line. The goal here is to create a visually appealing and symmetrical design that resembles a classic filter icon. Once all your elements are in place, select all of them at once. This includes the 3 lines and the 3 ellipses. To group them together for easy manipulation, simply press Ctrl-G on your keyboard, which will group them into one cohesive unit. And there you have it. You've successfully created a stylish filter icon using Figma. This icon adds a clean aesthetic to any design project, whether it's for a website, an app, or any graphical interface. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.